In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Site on mobile. If you've built your website with Google Sites, previewing how it looks on a phone is essential before you share it. Mobile visitors often make up the majority of your traffic, and a quick check can help you catch layout issues, long lines of text, or buttons that feel cramped. Start with your site open in Google Sites on a computer. Using a desktop or laptop matters here because the editor's full toolbar is available, and that's where the preview controls live. Make sure you're in the editing view of the site you want to check so you can access the top menu. Next, look to the top of the Google Sites editor for the preview control. It's represented by an eye icon and is usually labeled Preview. Click that. This opens a live preview of your site, showing how it will appear to visitors without needing to publish any changes. Think of it as a safe, read-only window where you can review layout, spacing, and interactivity the way your audience will experience them. Inside the preview window, you'll see device options so you can simulate different screen sizes. To focus on phones, click the mobile icon. It looks like a small smartphone outline. When you select this, the preview immediately adjusts to a vertical, phone-sized frame. This lets you see how your content reflows on a narrower screen, including how text wraps, images resize, and menus condense into a compact format. As the mobile view loads, watch how your header and navigation adapt. You'll notice whether your logo and site title remain readable and whether your menu collapses neatly into an icon. Scan your page from top to bottom and pay attention to line breaks, paragraph spacing, and image placement. Headlines should be concise, buttons should be easy to tap, and forms should fit comfortably without requiring pinching or zooming. If you have sections with multiple columns in the desktop layout, they'll usually stack vertically here. This is normal and ensures readability on smaller screens. Keep an eye out for overlapping elements or text that feels too small. Also note how much scrolling a visitor will need to do to reach key information. The mobile preview is a reliable way to confirm that your most important content appears early and is easy to engage with. That's it. With your site open on a computer, click the Preview Eye icon, then select the mobile icon in the preview window. You'll get a clear, accurate picture of your site on phone so you can fine-tune with confidence.